New at 10, freezing temperatures and slick roadways keeping many businesses closed in the Shoals and families hunkered down in their homes the past 3 days. But healthcare workers have been working around the clock, taking care of their patients and delivering babies.
WAAY 31's Maddie McCaffrey joins us live from the Shoals with the story of how a new dad braved a long drive to make it in time for the birth of his first son.
Yeah, hey, Nicole and Dan. Healthcare workers here in Florence, they've either been staying at the hospital or getting safe rides all week long. Today, I met one new dad. He was in Kentucky working on Monday when he got the call that his new baby would be arriving very soon. Freezing temperatures and slick roadways in Florence and the Shoals have forced many the last few days to work from home. Of course, except for healthcare and EMS workers, like Casey Mitchell, labor and delivery nurse at North Alabama Medical Center.
My husband's been bringing me to work. He has a truck. We've just been trying to stay off the road as much as possible, but people don't stop having babies, so we have to be here, and we're happy to be here.
I didn't want to wreck. I know that for sure. I didn't want to run off the road or something and miss the time.
Florence resident Kendrick Tubbs has been working on assignment in Kentucky the past month with the baby on the way back home. He got a call on Monday that their baby would be coming a little sooner than they thought. So Kendrick jumped in the car, braving the dangerous road conditions to make it in time for the birth.
So I left Glendale, Kentucky at about 5 o'clock, 5:30, and it took me 6.5 hours to make that 4-hour and 15-minute drive, but I made it. Got here and then sat there and waited for about 23 hours. And then first baby boy came.
And baby boy Colton Lee Kendrick Tubbs was born just after midnight Tuesday night. He and his mom Lacey are both healthy and doing great. Lacey and Kendrick say it's been the best whirlwind, as they never expected they would have their first baby in the midst of a winter storm. They say they can't wait to tell baby Colton his birth story one day.
I ain't gonna lie, I haven't seen any kind of snow or ice besides that snowstorm we had a couple years ago. I haven't seen any snow or anything like this since I was 8 years old, 9 years old, 13 years ago. So it's pretty cool. I think it'll be a good story to tell him.
A big congratulations to Kendrick and Lacey on their precious newborn son, Colton, and I am just so happy to be able to share their snow baby story with you all. Reporting live in Muscle Shoals with coverage you can count on, Maddie McCaffrey, WAAY 31 News.